Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video what we're going to talk about is how you can make money with a small YouTube channel. So, a lot of people, just like myself, they have a huge following on YouTube. Obviously I'd love to grow my YouTube channel, and I'm sure if you have a YouTube channel, you also would love to grow your channel as well. But, so you're probably thinking like, there's no way I can make money because of so many different things, because you're not monetized on YouTube. A lot of people try to get monetized and that's the only thing. And even if you are monetized, that's probably not the best way to make some money because of a lot of different reasons. For example, they can shut down your ads and you can stop getting paid on that. And also it's very inconsistent. Obviously it's very good to have it. I'd love to have it on my channel as well, but it's not that easy. There's so many things that go into it. It might not work at first. So you probably want some other ways to make some money, and there is some ways where you can make some money with a small YouTube channel. So I'm going to go from the one, like a few parts, but I'm going to end with, in my opinion, what is the best way to actually make some money if you have a YouTube channel. But some of you might think that the very first one or some other points may be the best. So the first one I'm going to talk about, which is not the first one, just like in another video I was talking about, just that's the point. Anyway, the first one that I'm going to talk about is that you can make some money by doing consulting. So I'm going to type it in. Consulting is a great way if you have a channel that's actually teaching something. Maybe you know how to jump really high or something like that, and people are really interested in learning how to do it, and you can teach them how to jump really high. And by the way, it might sound really weird, but I know of somebody that made, like, I don't know them personally, but I know of a channel that made multiple millions of dollars by selling a course on how to jump higher. So there you go. So consulting, you just offer your service, maybe put in an email address or something in the description of your video. And if you're teaching people how to do something, then you can coach them, and then you make some money off that. So that's one way of doing it. Just tell them that you're offering that service if you are. And there's a lot of people that do that. Like, I don't do that personally, but there are a lot of people that make money that way and make quite a lot of money that way. So that was a bit weird from me talking like that, but there you go. Consulting is the first one. If you're teaching something, how to do it, then this is a great way. The next one that I'm going to talk about is actually courses. And I know that you might be thinking that you need 100,000 subscribers, 1,000,000 subscribers to actually make some money selling courses. And yes, that will help if you have 1,000,000 subscribers. There's no question. If you put something out and you have legit subscribers, because yes, some people do buy subscribers, but if you do have legit subscribers and a ton of them, it will be easy. Like, if you have 1,000,000 subscribers, there's no question that some people will buy your course. It's just the way it is. So, selling a course, I know a few people like that I really do know that have been selling courses before they reach, the threshold of being, having their channel monetized by YouTube, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. By the way, in another video, I think I said 5,000, but it is 4,000. But that does have to be in the last 12 months. So in the last year, you have to have 4,000 hours of watch time, and you do have to have also 1,000 subscribers. So, being a bit sidetracked there, but I do know of some people that have made money before they reached 1,000 subscribers, that were selling courses and actually making some money that way. So selling courses is a great way to do it. You do need to make sure that people are actually going to, buy something from you or buy the course. So make sure that they're interested in that. So if you want to know more like about any of these, just let me know in the description, and that will help also, rank my video a bit higher and, grow my channel, because that's what we're all trying to do, is grow our channel. So courses is another great way. Something else that you can do is actually selling a service. So if you're providing a service to somebody, maybe you're a graphic designer and you're drawing and teaching people how to draw, but people don't necessarily want to learn how to draw and take a ton of time to do something. And so maybe what you can do is offer a service where you actually do it for them and then they pay you, and that's a great way to get some customers. Some people do that through Instagram. But YouTube is probably the best way, because people they know how you talk, they like you, they know you, they kind of know how you go about things and things like that, and you're providing value. So they really are ready to pay you to actually do something. And I used the example of a graphic designer, but it can be all sorts of different things. Just like, you just have to make sure that you know how to do something, you can provide it to them, and you basically add value to their life. So if you're willing to do that and take some of your time to do something and make some money, there you go. And that's something that you don't need to have a ton of subscribers to do that, or a ton of views. All you have to do is provide something that people really like, and then you can do that. The next one that I want to talk about is SMMA. And I've talked about this in another video. Basically, you offer your service. Again, it's kind of like the previous one. And that's just a way that you can make money. So you just know how to run Facebook ads, for example. So you provide that value to those people, and that's kind of the same one as before, but that's a very common one, and people actually do that very, very often to actually make some money. And you can make some really good money as well, because if you provide make people some money, then you're just going to get paid that way. So that's a great way to do it as well. And there's a ton of ways that you can just reach out. If you're showing people how to do videos, and you have some sort of some videos that are really good, that are filmed really well and with some good views and stuff, you'll probably even have people reach out to you to ask you to do their videos. And if you're putting that in the description, you can do that as well. So that's another great way where you can make some money. So the next one is probably my favorite one, and you probably guessed this. It's affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is one of the best ways, because it doesn't take more time to do that. As like when your channel will start growing, you can sell courses, as well. That's kind of the same. But with affiliate marketing, you don't even have to create a course. All you have to do is just talk about that product that obviously you're probably using, that you like. It's not, you don't want to sell something that you don't believe in, because that will just come off in front of the camera. But affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is one of the, or probably the best way if you have a small channel, to actually make some money. Like the first time I made some money with this channel was, I think I had like 20 subscribers, and I did make some money with that. So as long as you're providing value, people, and you're talking about something that you really like, then people will probably be willing to buy your affiliate marketing service or whatever it may be. And some of these things pay monthly, some of these things are high ticket or maybe low ticket entry, and then they have something that they upgrade to. So that's probably one of the best ways to actually make some money with affiliate marketing. Because when you're first starting off, you might not be making money, because you're not getting ads or anything. But if you're doing affiliate marketing and you're providing value and you show something that people really like, or you talk about it, then that's a great way to actually make some money and continue to do so, and just take it from there. And when your channel starts to grow, your affiliate marketing commissions will also grow, just like the channel. But if you start small and you make some money that way, as soon as you grow, you're just going to grow that income as more and more and more. So that's something that you really want to look out for, and it's a great way to make some money. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every time I put a video out, which is every single day of the week, as long as I don't miss out for some reason, one or another. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.